art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Goober Gutz from Poppy Playtime Chapter 5, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started with the head. So right in the middle on the top, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. We're going to come down now, right in the middle here, drawing in a circle. Moving in towards the center of that, again, drawing in another circle. Let's come down underneath. We're going to draw a diagonal line coming out on either side, ending that at the same height. And now let's flatten that out in the center, pulling in another straight line on either side. Let's bring this line up on a diagonal. And then we're going to draw another diagonal line coming into the middle. Now on either side, we're just going to curve this around and then back up to the top. Stepping up, replicating that, curving that through. Now on both sides, we're just going to draw in a straight line coming up. And then we're just going to draw in a curved line as we move through to the top, leaving an even amount of space. Let's come down for that bandana here. So from that corner, we're going to curve this line out on the left, and then we'll do the exact same thing on the right. Now from here, from that point, we're going to curve this down and up to that edge for the bottom of the ear. Let's continue to round out the ear now. So on the top, we're going to curve this over. We're going to start back on that line. We're going to round that edge out, pulling that down and into the side. Let's continue with that bandana underneath. So we're just going to curve this around and in. Moving underneath, we're going to arch this back over, flattening this out as we come into the center. And then we'll replicate this on the right, curving this around and in, blending that together. Let's round out the bottom of the head. On the left-hand side, curving this over, pulling that through to the middle. Replicating that on the right-hand side, blending that back in together in the center. For the bandana on the right-hand side, just drawing in a half circle. In the middle of that, curving that across. Now on the top from that corner, we're going to arch this over. And then from that point, we're just going to pull that back in underneath. Now in the center again, curving that across. Let's move down. We're going to arch this back out and through on a diagonal. Now from that point, curving that back into the side of the head. And then we're just going to arch that over. Let's come over to the left-hand side now. For our left eye, we're going to draw in a circle, curving this around, pulling that through towards the top. And then we'll replicate that on the right-hand side as well. Now in the middle, let's draw in another circle, curving this over and back up on the right, moving across, replicating that. Now in the middle, let's draw in the letter V. Let's draw in a diagonal line coming out on both sides. Again, from here, let's bring that diagonal line through towards the center. And then let's pull this back out on either side. Let's draw in another diagonal line coming down to the middle. And then we'll bring this diagonal line back up to the middle again to finish off that cross. Let's come down for the mouth. We're going to draw in a frown line right in the center. Moving around that, we're just going to replicate the shape. So starting in the center, curving this down, up, around, following that underneath, and then tucking that back into our middle line there. Now in the center, we're going to draw in a straight line, leaving a small gap in between each one as we move all the way through to the bottom of the chin. Let's draw in another curved line right in the center here. For the torso, curving this down on either side, ending that at the exact same height. Let's close off a foot here with a circle. And then we'll do that on the right as well. goes off the bottom of the body with another curved line. Now for the arms, we're going to arch this line into the chin. Let's round out the hand here. So we're going to curve this over, back through. And then again, closing off the hand, curving this around and back in. And that is it. That's how you draw Goober Gutz from Puppy Playtime Chapter 5. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.